Hello, hello. There is a smell of the tourism in the air, so that's why this episode started to come out pretty hard. It comes out really irregular, just simply because I'm super tired because of the diving. We're doing 2-3 dives every single day, and sometimes we're coming back home really late because we have to go with someone for the dinner, and I hope you will forgive me that. Anyways, I'm super excited because tomorrow we are going to the Lombok. That being a long-term plan, which now becomes realistic or true. And tomorrow early morning we heading to Padang Bay, and from there we will take a Ro-Ro ferry and we'll go to Lombok. Then we will have 2 days of diving, fingers crossed for mabulas and hammerhead sharks. But anyways, I'm super excited to go there and just a little bit explore that place, because I heard about that so many times and I really wanna see it personally. But before we go, a little bit about what's been happening during this week. I did one dive in Bunutan with the friends, really relaxed, really enjoyable, and we drifted, I don't know, all the way, almost all the way up to Lipa Beach. We didn't see really anything extraordinary, but it was really nice because it was slow current, beautiful corals, a lot of fishes, as always. Then we did a lot of dives at Liberty Wreck, Coral Garden, what else?
Мартин снимает все.
Look who's back. was super cool to dive with some people who doing it for the first time. Some people did the level up. So yeah, so that was like, we've been pretty busy. Different people. Enjoy. All right, next episode will be from Lombok. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.